Hello, welcome everybody. Today we are going to be looking at decimal fractions. So let's get straight into it. Let's not waste any time. Okay, decimal fractions. Okay, this is the part one. They have fractions with denominators such as 10, 100, 1,000, etc. So denominators with 10, 100,000. You have 10,000, 100,000. Those are all decimal fractions. Remember, it has to be the denominator. Okay, now the value is less than 1, which is a whole number. Okay, the value of a decimal is less than 1, which is a whole number. But at the same time, you can have a decimal like a 3 point something, 2 point something. But the value after the decimal point, okay, is what we are talking about, that it is what? Less than 1. Now, note that a decimal include a period or a decimal point. So, decimal point, something like this, that's a decimal point. So let's go straight into the examples that we have here. Now, example, write 7.496 in expanded form. 7.496 in expanded form. Now, here we are talking about expanding all of this to know their value. Okay, so we have 7 here. So I think I made a mistake here. So here should be 7. So we have 7.496. You can see how I called it. I didn't say 7.496. It's 7.496. Okay, the values after the decimal points are pronounced one by one. All right, so now the value of 7 here, because 7 comes before the decimal point, so it is a unit. It's just one number before the decimal point, so it is a unit. Then we have the point sign, which is the decimal point. Okay, now we have 4, which is this. Now 4 is after the decimal point, immediately after the decimal point. So the value of 4 is what? 4 over 10, or 4/10. Now the value after the 4 is 9, so that's 9 over 100, or 900th. Okay, you can see that we have like a th after it. Here we have only we have th here, we have th here, and we have th here. So the value of 6 is going to be what? 6,000th, or 6 over 1,000. Okay, now so the final answer is what? 7.496. Now let's move ahead to this example right here, which I would like you to try and leave your answer in the comment section, or you can send it to my WhatsApp so that we check whether it's correct or wrong. But if you feel confident that your answer is correct, then you can leave it as it is. Okay, so the question says write 829.123 in expanded form. 829. Okay, 829, because the value before the decimal point can be called in its normal form. 829.123 in expanded form. 829.123 in expanded form. Write this and send your answer to my WhatsApp, or you leave your answer in the comment or in my comment. Okay, now thank you. So this is what we have. This is the part 1. So we started with what? Decimal point, a decimal fraction. Sorry, what decimal fraction is. What shows that something is a decimal point. Decimal fraction. Okay, then we moved on to some examples, and we talked about one example here, and I've given you an example also to try out yourself. So I hope you do due diligence to that, and you practice more on decimal fractions. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.